how to change currency in Western Union app. Once you load up the app, you will click on menu in the top right, and then we're gonna select send money. So here's how it works. Once you select the country which you will be sending money to, it is automatically going to convert it. It's going to detect what your local currency is. For example, if you're sending money from the US, and let's say you want to send $5, here it is going to show you the currency which the receiver will get. So the receiver will get currently Filipino pesos, but you can change it by clicking on the menu here, PHP, and you can change it to USD, so they can receive USD. Automatically, it's going to be automatically converted if you don't change it, and here you will see the current rate which they will get. Then all you need to do is to go through with the payment. You will fill out the information, and like I said, it's going to be automatically converted. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.